Dinosaur bones. There's my grandsons. Alex and Henry. Hey, y'all, right there. That's far enough. Okay, Dad's getting us some tickets. My son's over here buying tickets. And then we're going to go inside of the museum. Alrighty. Okay. Y'all ready? Okay, okay, okay.
I like it. They look cool, especially like fish.
Mm-hmm. Pretty cool looking, isn't it? Okay. Up the elevator.
Oh, we're going to the children area.
Is it that way, son, or is it this way?
There's something on both sides.
I think it's over there.
It's literally the entire place is a museum, so let's go up
Okay.
and go up. Alright, you stand on it, you don't walk up it. Step off right there.
Up the escalator. And up even more.
Yeah, it's part of the wildlife part of the museum. We're going to go to the very top and you're going to be able to look out and see the whole city. And you can see the T-Rex on the side of the building too.
Woo!
Hey, I'm running.
The summer camp people, they're leaving.
Let these people
Come on.
Yeah. Look, this is summer club. Oh, look at that.
This is the party scene on the side.
Wow. I like that building.
And you get eaten by a
That
dinosaur.
thing. I see like a cool little like thing. Little animal. That's who I think that's a T-Rex. Yeah, that's a T-Rex. Alright, if we go up, they're gonna get eaten by a T-Rex. So I go.
Okay, let's go up some more.
They have a gem and mineral hall too.
Can you?
Just step on it. the escalators for it to do the walking for you, okay? You guys can eat you out. Yeah, I'm gonna take your picture next to the
Please face forward.
Hold up, Alex.
What's wrong, Alex? Did you want us to just follow you while you run away from everybody?
Oh, he goes up even more.
I see. Oh, look, and look, look, you can like look from up there. See, look where I'm standing. See that? Look there. Up there. Like, look what we look over here.
Can you watch the children on that one quick?
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, I might have to use it on my.
You know what I mean?
Humans are suffering from limited vision, but never imagination. As we continue to study intelligence from this small cell, closer to understanding the universe and our place in it.
Hey, can you see?
For as long as human curiosity has existed, our collective imagination has tried to unlock the secret
I made it.
That's right there. They said it is a dwarf planet, which means it's not big enough to have its own. It says dwarf planets are too small to make their own gravity clear to be from the area around their orbits. So that's what blue looks like. It's just a cold rock. Alex, now floor.
What's that? Is that Leo?
Look, Pete, there's the moon. That's where you live. No, we can't go on that side. Can you see it okay? Do you need me to look it up? See the moon? There's Mars. What are the planets after?
The moon. Is that the moon, Henry?
Henry, the next part up, we get the elevator. We got all the hall of bird.
Alex, over here. Yeah, over here. No, over here. Look, this is the moon. Moon, Alex. Isn't that neat?
Rainbow.
Come over here, Granddad. Yeah, that's the lights, isn't it?
Gosh.
Look, here.
Yeah. And the cheese. Come on. This way. Over here with Daddy.
matter and radiation separate from one another, allowing matter to move freely and gravitate towards other matter.
Hey, son, we didn't go to this area right here.
Check out the birds. Yeah, we're gonna check it all out.
We need to go to the human being hall.
Yeah, sure.
Waiting on the elevator.
We also need to go here.
Where?
Over here, Alex.
What about the human mineral hall?
I don't know why just for I've been waiting and waiting. And somebody did come in, but I think they were getting out and then they left.
Yeah. Only way to get up or down.
Look, it's just right there. Why are you
Wanna check out the birds? Yeah.
We're gonna check out that on the way back down or something.
No, we can't come back to this one. That's it.
Look, there's bugs.
Yeah, once afterwards it goes all the way to the bottom.
No, it's a one-way trip.
Look, there's
Well,
bugs.
he doesn't wait.
There's
But...
bugs.
Oh, you can look through there.
Look at the birds. Look at the birds.
Sorry for the birdies.
Yeah. Anything go by?
Uh-huh. Looks like Rowo, don't it? What kind of bird is this, I wonder? Is this a screeching owl? Come on, Alex. Bird graveyard.
Yellow bird. There's lots of yellow birds. Lights out, Texas.
Hey! Wake up!
I'd love to see those. Those are cool birds. They're prairie chickens.
So it won't do it until it turns off. I remember pushing it. Like, how come not? Once they all light up, you push it again.
Yeah, okay.
We learned.
Lot of nest. That's a weird looking nest right there. This is the other side of it, with the birds facing toward you.
Passenger pigeons. We hunted the station. The dodo bird hunted the station. And the ox hunted the station.
Where's Alex? Oh, there he is.
Not eating people, not.
You come over, Granddad? Alex, you come over here with me. Look at all these birds. Over here. Alex. Alex. Right here. Isn't that neat? Isn't it neat? Yeah. There's a brontosaurus. The Tyrannosaurus Rex way over there. Small one. We're going to be going down there in a little bit. That's a Tyrannosaurus Rex right there, a large one.
Literally, yeah, once you put on the playground, that's what they do. Put a plane on it.
Road runner. Fix to be going down here in just a minute. Triceratops. Prairie dogs. Head button. Triceratops. And they got that one way over there. That's all they have of this dinosaur head bones. Is that little piece up there, a little piece down here. And that's it.
Like you can down, make
I didn't know if my doctor had also left on there the other reason for me. Yeah, okay.
I think this is supposed to be a spine. And this shows what they dug it up at. A Alamosaurus. Here's pretty big. Looks like a cat or a wolf. Says a dire wolf skeleton. Giant beaver skeleton. Yep, that'd be a giant, all right. What seems to be your problem? Okay. Okay. This looks like a mammoth bones. See the tusk, ribs. Found them in the mud after the flood.
made this? They made this type of rock? Limestone. Did you know if you breathe this in, you could die? Because they harden into your lungs.
Are you in a disco? Oh, there's some buttons to push.
No, push this one here.
This one. Out.
Push it all the way in.
Wait, Alex, get down.
It's okay, it gives you a countdown.
Is that an earthquake?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Going around, round, round, round. There's a dinosaur egg with a dinosaur still in it. One of them right there.
Зачем мой комната сломал? Я обиделся.
Alex is gonna jump in.
Никогда не прощу тебя. Посмотри, он такой высокий стал, что он... Нет, свет даже не достает. Ничего не. Каждый раз я пошел.
Alex, this way. Is that drilling into the earth for oil or what? Just anything?
suck up a little bit every time.
Is it actually?
No, this is just supposed to show you what it looks like.
Did they put like onions?
It's probably like that.
Come on, Alex.
Daddy, bathrooms.
Oh yeah, wow.
These fields may prove to be even bigger than far north, making all this exploration and production of new regions require a whole new crop of scientists and engineers
they've got confidence and skill. Now, team members, engineers, these are coming in.
Over here. This way. This way. Come on. Come around the corner. No, no. This way. Okay, come on. We'll go where Daddy's at. You have to go. Now, there's no way I can record all of this because it would be 3 hours long. I'm just going to record what I think interests you. You are goofy. Isn't that neat, Henry? Isn't that neat, Henry? Sparkling. It's supposed to be a giant shell.